2020, still in solo mode. I just finished a very cool session by myself. I didn't think it would work. We'll see on a bigger screen later. For the moment, let's talk a little bit more about this blade. Come with me on the other side, we'll get a real microphone. Steve! All of these shots are self-made. Not too bad for the moment. Trying to keep myself busy, creating a lot of videos. And this one is about this small blade that we put on top of a tube. I already explained what it is for outdoor stuff, but I wanted to make another video just so you guys can see a close-up of it and also how to get started with it. When you receive your package, you should see a blade and a small black grip. Start by peeling off the brown paper. Then put a cap on top of a tube, screw the grip in the cap and slide the blade inside of it. Never screw or unscrew the grip with the blade attached, as you might break the blade. Over time, if it starts to get loose, simply add a small piece of tape to hold everything together. Now that your blade is in place, insert a flashlight at the base of the tube, go on strobe mode, and you're ready to go. For this example, I'm using a Olight M2R Warrior. The magnetic switch helps me to turn on and off the light on the fly within the same exposure. But for most of my outdoors shot, I combine the blade with the second tube with a second flashlight on continuous mode. I hold both flashlights on my right hand and I make circles behind Kim. This blade is very thin and lightweight, and its main purpose is to add a sharp light painting shape on the long tube. It's very hard to light up your subject using this one. For close-up portraits, the best option is still the light blades, which are available on lightblades.com. Here's an example with Kim. We know there are so many things that we can create using this blade, and I'm eager to see what you guys are going to come up with it.